Hello friends, I am Kuldeep Pukare. Today we are going to discuss about the grinding. First of all, we will see what is meant by grinding. Grinding is an abrasive machining process that uses a grinding wheel as a cutting tool. It removes very small amount of material from the workpiece in powder form for achieving the super finishing process. Generally, after machining of any workpiece, there is a small amount of burr is present. To remove this small amount of burr is done by using the grinding operation. Here, this is a workpiece. This is a grinding wheel. Projection of the grains. These are the some grinding particles are there. By using this grinding wheel, you can remove very small amount of the burr from the workpiece and achieve the super finishing on the workpiece. For performing grinding operation, different types of methods are used. Today we are discussing about the centerless grinding. Centerless grinding. Why it is called as centerless? Generally, for round surface bar, for holding this round surface bar, there are need of the centers like this. Generally, this round bar is held in centers. But for performing the grinding operation by using centerless grinding, there is no use of these centers. The workpiece is held in different way. So this finishing process is known as a centerless grinding. In centerless grinding, how workpiece is held? See here. This is a grinding wheel. This is workpiece. Here one another wheel is there. This wheel is known as a regulating wheel. This regulating wheel is used for regulating the workpiece purpose. Now we will see the direction of the grinding wheel is clockwise. At the same time, the direction of the regulating wheel is also clockwise. So both wheels direction is clockwise. So workpiece is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. For holding this workpiece, there is a rest is used. This is also called as a blade. Here inclined surface is there. By using this rest or blade, you can support the workpiece. So this process this round workpiece is a side view. Actually, this is the workpiece is held in between the two wheels. Now we will see how grinding operation is done. The main parts of centerless grinding is a grinding wheel. It is used for removing the very small amount of the metal from the workpiece. Regulating wheel. The function of regulating wheel is regulate the workpiece and feed the workpiece. The material is of this regulating wheel is rubber or soft material. As per the requirement, you can use hard material also. Using the grinding operation, the grinding wheel rotates at normal speed. This grinding wheel rotates at normal speed. At the same time, the speed of regulating wheel is very slow. But direction of this grinding wheel and regulating wheel is the same. At the same time, workpiece is rotated opposite direction to the workpiece, and you can perform the grinding operation on this workpiece like this. This is a grinding wheel, this is a regulating wheel. We can move this grinding wheel from left side to right side to left side. You can perform the grinding operation throughout this bar. Here there is no any center is used for holding this workpiece, so this method is known as a centerless grinding. Thank you.